Snow White, why are you upset?
Because everyone hates me because of Rachel Zegler. She's the one talking bad about me.
Okay, let's talk to Rachel Zegler. Rachel Zegler, why are you angry with everyone?
Because everyone makes fun of me, even Jack Black.
You should apologize to Snow White.
Hell no, I'm not gonna apologize to Snow White. Holy shit, ew!
911. What is your emergency? Snow White and Rachel Zegler. Their condition is critical.